अस कही चला विभीषणु जब ही आयुहीन भय सब तबहि. Who is Goswami Tulsidas ji talking about? And why? Welcome to yet another episode of Ramayana and Deep Knowledge. So in the entire Lanka, where there is rule of sins, where the demons are ruling and doing all the things which are immoral, there exists one great saint. So in this entire Lanka, which is ruled by the demon king Ravan, who happens to be the biggest opponent and enemy of Bhagavan Vishnu, there lives one man who is the biggest devotee of Bhagavan Vishnu. He is none other than the younger brother of Ravan, Vibhishan. So in the world of vices, Vibhishan is the illustration of virtues. And that is why he clearly understands the difference between dharma and adharma, right and wrong. And that is why, after Hanumanji has burnt the entire Lanka, destroyed the entire city, and returned back to Sri Ram, Vibhishan goes and bows down to the king Ravan. He sits in his feet and with folded hands prays that Ravan should return Devi Sita with dignity and respect back to Sri Ram. Because this was the necessity. And this was the right thing to do for the people of Lanka as well as for Ravan himself. But the demon king Ravan would not follow the advice of the great saint. Instead, he kicks Vibhishan, mocks him, shouts at him, scolds him, humiliates him, and calls him a traitor. At the end, he even forces Vibhishan to get out of Lanka. And poor Vibhishan, what could he do? He leaves Lanka, although he doesn't want to, but he knows very well that it was not the right place for him to live. A saint cannot live among the demons, so he knows very well his right place is in the feet of Prabhu Shri Ram. So along with few of his close associates, he leaves for Prabhu Shri Ram's place. So as soon as Vibhishan steps outside Lanka, the death comes in. Kal comes in. Because if the people of Lanka were safe, it was not because of the boons and powers of Ravan, it was because of the virtues of Vibhishan. The bhakti of Vibhishan had kept everyone safe. And that is why when Hanumanji came in, he killed only one son of Ravan, Akshay Kumar. And others were still safe. That is why Goswami Tulsidas ji rightly says, As kahi chala Vibhishanu jabahi, ayuheen bhay sab tabahi. That means as soon as Vibhishan leaves Lanka, everybody's life starts to diminish. So that is why this beautiful story of Ramayana tells us that the saints, the Prabhu devotees, they are all very important in any kingdom. Where the saints are happy, where the saints are safe, the kingdom will flourish. And where the saints are unhappy, they are insulted, humiliated, neither can the king stay happy, nor can his subjects. सत्य सनातन, जय सनातन, ज्ञान यज्ञ continues.